Imagine this. You wake up one morning and discover that your classmate has earned 10,000 rupees this month. Not by selling products, not by doing a part-time job, not by trading stocks, but simply by using artificial intelligence. Sounds unbelievable? Well, welcome to 2026, where AI is creating opportunities faster than any technology in human history. And before you think that only engineers or coders can make money using AI, let me tell you something. Some of the most successful people using AI today are students, content creators, artists, writers, designers, and even school children. So today, let's explore the various ways you can make money using AI. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll realize that AI is not here to take your job. It's here to create one. Number one is content creation using AI. Let's start with the most popular method, content creation. Every day, millions of people watch YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook videos, and shorts. But creating content traditionally takes time. You need scripts, you need editing, you need graphics, you need voiceovers. This is where AI comes in. Today, tools like ChatGPT can help generate scripts. AI image generation can create visuals. AI voice generators can create narration. AI video editors can automatically edit clips. Imagine you're interested in cricket. You can create a YouTube channel explaining cricket facts, player stories, and match analysis. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a studio. You only need creativity and consistency. Once your channel grows, you can earn through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and brand collaborations. Many faceless YouTube channels today are already earning thousands of dollars every month using AI-assisted content creation. Number two is freelancing with AI. Now suppose you don't want to create content. You can still make money by helping others. This is called freelancing. Businesses constantly need social media posts. These include posters, thumbnail, advertisements, infographics, school presentations. They need blog articles. They need presentations. They need logos. They need marketing content. And they need product descriptions. Earlier, these tasks required hours of work. AI can now complete a large portion of them within minutes. For example, a small business owner may need 30 Instagram captions. You can use AI to draft them quickly and then improve them with your own creativity. You deliver value, the business saves time, and you get paid. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have thousands of people offering AI-assisted services. Remember though, clients pay for results, not for pressing a button. The real skill is knowing how to use AI effectively. Number three, selling AI-generated designs. Have you ever thought of designing a t-shirt, poster, stickers, notebook, mugs, or wall art? AI can help you generate unique designs within seconds. Let's say you create motivational quotes with beautiful artwork. You can sell them online through print-on-demand platforms. Whenever someone purchases a product, the platform prints and ships it. You don't need a factory. You don't need inventory. You simply focus on creating attractive designs. Many students around the world are already earning pocket money this way. Number four is writing and publishing ebooks. Here's something fascinating. AI can help you research and organize information. Suppose you're passionate about astronomy or fitness or learning skills. You can create a simple guide or ebook. AI helps with outlines, summaries, formatting, and editing. You add your personal understanding and examples. Then you publish the ebook online. Every time someone buys it, you earn money. Of course, AI should assist you. It should never replace your knowledge or originality. Number five, creating educational materials. Students understand students better than anyone else. Imagine creating notes, flashcards, mind maps, quiz questions, study guides. AI can help generate and organize educational content. You can package these resources and sell them digitally, or build a study-focused social media page and monetize it later. In fact, some students today are earning money simply by helping other students learn more effectively. Number six is AI-powered coding and app development. Now, this may seem very technical, but it's easy. Let's talk about something exciting. You don't have to be a computer genius to start coding anymore. AI coding assistants can explain concepts, find errors, and help generate code. Many teenagers have built websites, mobile apps, games, productivity tools. Some of these projects later become businesses. The important thing isn't knowing everything, it's being willing to learn. AI acts like a teacher that is available 24 hours a day. Number 7 is affiliate marketing using AI. Here's another interesting model. Affiliate marketing, you recommend products online. Whenever someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. AI can help create product reviews, blog posts, comparison articles, social media content. Again, success depends on trust. People only follow recommendations from creators they believe in. So honesty and quality are extremely important. Number 8 is building your own AI business. Finally, the biggest opportunity. Instead of using AI for someone else's business, use AI to build your own. Think of AI as a powerful employee. It can help with researching, marketing, design, writing, customer support, data analysis. The combination of human creativity and AI efficiency is incredibly powerful, and that's exactly what the future entrepreneurs will use. But there is one important warning. Many people believe AI is a magic money machine. It isn't. AI can generate ideas, AI can speed up work, AI can improve productivity, but it cannot replace the hard work, creativity, discipline, and critical thinking. The students who will succeed in the AI era are the ones who use AI to avoid learning. They are the ones who use AI to learn faster. Think of AI as a bicycle for your brain. It helps you travel further, but you still have to pedal.